Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin, which is currently just consolidating over the past few days. Now the entire market is fluctuating. We have Bitcoin up over 1.5% to $86,000, and yeah, a few other coins falling. API 3 down, ARB down, Fetch down, Dogecoin also down ever so slightly today. Now it did hit this resistance here at 20 cents just a few days ago and has since obviously crashed back down. We were ultimately expecting it to fall down to roughly 15 cents, but it hasn't done that just yet, and in today's video we're going to be jumping into exactly where I think it could be going over the next few days. Now what I recommend all of you guys to do is to check out the Discord down below. It'll be the first link in the description, and you can see on the screen right now just how many trades our members have been winning from simply joining, starting to copy and paste the signals into their own exchange and seeing the profits like you're seeing on the screen right now. It's absolutely insane. So yeah, make sure you join up. It will be the first link in the description. Now back to Doge. So yeah, overall we have been seeing it just consolidate really. You know, it saw this pump and then dump, but price hasn't really moved since mid-March. So for over 2 weeks now we haven't really seen any movement on Dogecoin. Our initial entries were roughly at 15 cents for spot. Again, we're going to be looking for potentially another DCA entry here at 15 cents, and we have prepared some lower DCA levels as well, one at 12 to 13 cents, and maybe even lower if it does continue to crash at like 9-10 cents, which is very low indeed. But right now it is looking quite good. Again, the market is just waiting for Bitcoin to really start picking back up. Again, it's approached its resistance level. Will it crash? Will it actually break through this time and continue the upward trajectory? We had some news today of Elon Musk potentially leaving the White House and his role in the DOGE, or in the White House in particular, but overall that might have a slight positive sway on the market. Tesla was already up roughly 5% today last time I checked, and the main reason for that is Musk is more of a visionary and more of an entrepreneur. He has multiple businesses and he wants quick immediate change for the better. Now obviously that hasn't helped his companies. Tesla saw huge crashes simply from his political stance, and I don't think a lot of people liked it, and regardless that caused the Tesla to crash, which caused the S&P to fall slightly. Overall it wasn't his necessarily fault, but the market wasn't in a great state. Now it might recover slightly. It's already seeing a 0.7% increase. Maybe that will then push for rate cuts in May, and then obviously that will increase the market a lot more, and we should start to see another run. So yeah, hopefully that does happen in May, June, July. We're gonna have FOMC meetings every month of those months, and yeah, when we get rate cuts you'll see the market pump up nicely. Now everything relies on Bitcoin and how the market moves, even Dogecoin and other meme coins. The market right now isn't in the best state. We're not bullish at all. There's not really any bullish sentiment or reason to be bullish, apart from the fact that we are at these extreme low levels and that everything is undervalued. Hindsight, where these coins haven't necessarily gotten intrinsically less valuable from the time they were in December. If anything, they've gotten more valuable, because in December and sort of so on, it was more so speculation, Trump winning the election, everything like that. And once Trump actually got put as a president, we obviously saw the buy the news, sell the rumor, sell the news, sorry, which then caused the crash. And now we're just going to be waiting. Major things that will obviously see the pump aren't really going to be crypto related. It's more so just market oriented things like the rate cuts from the FOMC meetings, the ceasefires in Europe and the Middle East, things like this, where more so political stances will have major effects on the market, and when that does shift we'll see a nice pump up. So yeah, the sentiment for us hasn't really changed. We are still accumulating these lows on a lot of coins, not just Doge. If you want more coins, check out the previous videos, or again join up the Discord. I'm sending out all the coins I'm entering every single day in there. Overall, where we're going to be selling, we're targeting the previous highs. It's a 3.2x, 3.3x if it were going a bit higher, but I think there's such good value here. A 3x from these current lows, insane. We've done it multiple times in the past. If you just want a 2x, what's that going to be? 30 cents for Doge, which super easily achievable in my opinion. So I think the value here is great, and definitely some profit to be made on this trade. Other coins I'm going to be keeping an eye out for this week include Fetch, XRP, Sui, DOT, Render, Solana, ETH as well under 1.9k, which is insane. ETH being at 1.9k and under 2k is absolutely insane. Such good value there as well. And yeah, that's what we're really gonna be watching out for. Now again, apologies for the shorter video. I have a bit of pain in my jaw, so I'm gonna be keeping the next few videos short, but as soon as that pain is resolved, we're gonna be back to the normal length videos. Thank you all for watching. Again, if you want to be copying my trades every single day, check out the Discord down below. And if you need a place to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency for the lowest fees with the best sign-up bonuses, then check out all the exchanges we're working with down below. Also, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.